My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called RME. RME. It is called like that because it adds a special extension called RME to all the files that the ransomware encrypts. And I'll show you how it works. Currently, I am able to open my files that I store on my computer. I can open them without any complications at all. However, after this ransomware called RME is loaded, it starts encrypting your data. So sooner or later you will discover that your files have been encrypted by this ransomware called RME, and now the special extension will be added to your files and you will no longer be able to open them. The distributors of this ransomware try to actually force you into actually paying the ransom, and they tell you that you need to pay that ransom to get the files decrypted. However, the point is that paying the ransom does not guarantee that you would get your files restored. I would strongly advise that you go to the task manager of your computer, and if you find some suspicious processes running in the background, they could be related to the ransomware, especially if this is some long process with a very long name like this one. So what you could do is, once you find it, right-click on it and select End Task. Once again, right-click on this suspicious long process and select End Task to stop any further file encryption. However, even if you end the task of that suspicious process related to this ransomware, still the ransomware is not removed, and after you restart your computer, you may notice that even more files got encrypted. So before it is too late, we strongly advise that you immediately seek for the solution to completely remove that ransomware. Go to your system drive, select Program Files, choose Internet Explorer folder and start Internet Explorer browser. I recommend you to use it to get your files cleaned, to make sure that the ransomware is gone. So go to the page Combo Cleaner, combocleaner.com. This will help you to download the special cleaner called Combo Cleaner. It works both for Windows and Mac computers, but this ransomware attacks Windows computers only. So download the software called Combo Cleaner, install it and start checking your system with this tool. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove this ransomware and to get your system protected in the future. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner Antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode. Even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called Anti-Ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threats with the premium version of the program, or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner premium version.